We had driven to the 13,800-foot peak to watch the early morning birth of a comet from the United Kingdom Observatory. A team of German experts was here to record the man-made phenomenon, set to go off at 2:32 a.m.
3, 2, 1, 0.
The experiment successfully, but the weather had eliminated any participation from the Mauna Kea team, swirling snow and clouds obscuring visibility. Here, 3 weeks preparing for the comet, the Germans will pack up their 3 tons of equipment and return to Europe.
So we are here, as we say in German, with a laughing and a crying eye.
My cameraman Mike May informs me we have to do this in one take. It's so cold out here. Earlier tonight the wind was over 50 knots and the temperature was about freezing, but we're talking wind chill here on Mauna Kea. Guess what happened to me? My zipper broke on this night.
Visibility got worse. The German team made it down the mountain, but by the time we headed out, the only reasonable thing to do was abandon the Jeep and tough it out in the observatory. Another German astronomer, Hans Senecker, was our companion. Next morning, after 7 hours of cookies and coffee and a half bottle of oxygen for me, the snowplows finally made it through. The summit road was open just before noon. On our way down, we checked out the blizzard's trail, some drifts waist-high. Our spirits grew to the detriment of snow skiers and cameraman Mike May. The snow line extended down to about 11,500 feet. A new tanker truck of fuel to run the generator. Life goes on for those who work atop the world's biggest volcano.
I knew that the mountain was can be dangerous, and but you never believe that it happens to yourself, of course.
Memories of a lifetime, stranded by a blizzard in Hawaii. For Newsroom 9, I'm Rick Fredrickson.